Muscle confusion. You probably have heard some bodybuilders talk about it before. And today I'm going to explain why it's just a myth. But to be able to explain that, I first need to explain another important concept that we need to understand. Neural adaptation. Neural adaptation is what primarily is responsible for the very fast progress that you experience when you start doing any kind of new exercise. So whether that is running, sprinting, playing basketball or tennis, or doing a new exercise in the gym that you've never done before, in the beginning you will notice that you are improving very quickly. And the reason for that is because the neural adaptation happens very quickly. And what neural adaptation is that your body is learning how to do that specific activity, or in this case that specific exercise in the gym, in the most energy efficient way. And that process happens very quickly, which is why when you first start doing a new exercise that you haven't done before, you will notice that you go up in reps and in weight very quickly for the first couple of training sessions when you use that exercise, until it kind of quickly starts to slow down and kind of plateau. Now, this is the main thing that makes people believe in the myth of muscle confusion. The reason this is what makes people believe in the myth of muscle confusion is because a lot of the time when people hit what they perceive as a plateau, what has actually happened is that the neural adaptation has been maxed out basically in all the exercises they are doing. And so every single improvement from there on is going to be much slower, because improvements in muscle growth and muscle strength happen slower, much slower than neural adaptation. And so what they do is they know that if they switch up their exercises, they're gonna start making faster progress again. But that is because, like I just explained, the neural adaptation happens very quickly. And so what they are doing when they switch up their exercises is that they are not actually building any new muscle. They are just restarting that neural adaptation process, which happens very quickly, which is why when they switch up their exercises, they start going up in reps and weight very quickly again on those exercises. But then after a while, the same thing will happen. The neural adaptation will get maxed out on those exercises, and they will hit another plateau, or what they think is a plateau, and then they will switch up their exercises again, and they will just repeat that process over and over again and barely build any new muscle. And so what you want to do instead of switching up your exercises is you want to stick to the exact same exercises, because then you know that when that neurological adaptation process is maxed out, you can be sure that every single improvement in strength you get from that point on is an actual improvement in strength and therefore muscle size, and not only an improvement in neurological adaptation. And remember, muscle growth for most people happens very slowly. It doesn't happen very quickly. And so after the neurological adaptation is maxed out, yes, you're still going to be making progress, hopefully, unless something is wrong with your training, but the progress is going to be much slower. But the progress is going to be actual progress in real muscular strength and muscle size, and not only an improvement in neurological adaptation. Anyways, that's the video for today. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys learned something. If you did like this video, don't forget to click the like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. And I'll see you boys in the next video. Peace.